Hello, explorers. Welcome to RxRevelation. Introduction. Combiflame Tablet contains 2 painkiller medicines. They work together to reduce pain, fever, and inflammation. Main content: ibuprofen 400 ml, paracetamol 325 ml. Assist treatment of fever, pain relief. Take this medicine as advised by your doctor. Action. Combiflame Tablet is a combination of 2 medicines, ibuprofen and paracetamol. It works by blocking the release of certain chemical messengers that cause fever, pain, and inflammation, redness, and swelling. Side effects. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Common side effects are heartburn, indigestion, nausea, stomach pain. Safety advice. It is unsafe to consume alcohol with Combiflame Tablet. Combiflame Tablet may be unsafe to use during pregnancy. Combiflame Tablet is safe to use during breastfeeding. Combiflame Tablet may decrease alertness, affect your vision, or make you feel sleepy and dizzy. Do not drive if these symptoms occur. Combiflame Tablet should be used with caution in patients with kidney disease.